In your event listener callback, call the add item method of your cart object and pass in the event target ID. Remember that the ID here will be a string, so you need to convert it to a number. Pass your products array as the second argument. Okay, so on our add event listener, we have to first call the object. In our case, that would be the cart. Use the dot notation to use the method add item and then a parentheses. Now, it says to pass the event target and ID and also use the products array as second argument, but that would be wrong. So now why would that be wrong? Because it says to convert the ID from string to a number, and we will use a built-in function of JavaScript called number. So before the event target and ID, we call here the number. So what it basically does is that it converts a string to a number. And we have here our perfect situation where we need to convert the ID from a string to a number. See? Now, let's take a step back and read this code. Now, why is there an event target and ID? So, basically, these are two properties of JavaScript. And apparently, this is called event handling of in JavaScript. And we have here our target property to access the HTML document and then refer to the element to whichever the user interact with the use of the event and with the ID. And how are we able to use and how are we able to know the ID of that interacted element from the user? I mean, by the user. We need additional information, and that is why we have here our second argument products. We need additional information, and that is why we input here the array products. And if we go up, we have here indeed our products of array and elements of objects which contains different informations such as the ID in which we are trying to find inside of here, but that is a string, so that is why we need to convert it to a real number, and that is with the use of the number method, a built-in function in JavaScript. So basically that it is nice.